If you're trying to figure out how to use tools that forecast credit score changes after payoffs, you're in the right place. I'm going to break down how you can use these tools to make smarter decisions and better manage your credit score, without getting caught up in the affiliate game like so many other channels. First off, you might be wondering why forecasting credit score changes matters in the first place. It's because paying off debt doesn't always mean an immediate credit score boost. In fact, it can sometimes take a while for your credit to reflect that payoff. That's where forecasting tools come in. They give you a heads up on what to expect, so you're not left guessing. Now, before we get into the details, let me tell you a little story. A couple of years ago, I was working with a client who had just paid off a significant chunk of credit card debt. They were expecting their score to jump within a week. After all, that's what we're all told, right? Pay off your debt, and the score will skyrocket. Well, it didn't happen. They were left confused and frustrated. That's when I realized how crucial it is to know what kind of changes to expect and when. And that's what these forecasting tools provide: clarity and insight. The first thing you need to understand is how these tools actually work. Essentially, they analyze your credit report data and make predictions based on your payment history, current debt load, and other factors. They estimate how your score might change after paying off a loan or credit card. This is a game changer because it means you won't be left in the dark, wondering why your score hasn't improved as quickly as you thought it would. The key here is to use these tools before you make a payment. If you can forecast how your credit score is likely to change, you can make more informed decisions. For example, if you know that paying off a particular card won't boost your score by much, you might decide to focus your attention on something else, like reducing your credit utilization or paying off a loan that'll have a bigger impact. But here's where things get interesting. The tools that forecast credit score changes after payoffs often rely on your specific credit report, which means they can offer a personalized prediction. This is huge because one-size-fits-all advice isn't helpful. We all have different credit histories, and what works for one person might not work for another. And this is the part that most other videos won't tell you. Forecasting tools aren't perfect. They're based on algorithms that estimate outcomes, but they can't predict every variable, like a sudden dip in your credit utilization or a late payment. However, they give you a solid idea of where you're headed, and that's better than blindly waiting for a score boost that may never come. Here's the thing you need to consider as we wrap up. If you're really serious about forecasting credit score changes after payoffs, you need to stick with the data. Don't get too caught up in quick fixes. These tools can give you a roadmap, but they can't guarantee instant results. Your score might improve slowly, and that's fine. Patience is key. Finally, if you found value in this video and want more content that's not driven by affiliate commissions, hit that subscribe button. I'm committed to delivering the real deal, so you can make informed decisions about your credit without any hidden agendas.